Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Chase bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. Firstly, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in chase.com. Once you do that, it will redirect you to the official website of Chase Bank. And over here, you can see the login portal. Enter your username of your account. Once you do that, click on sign in. You will be logged into your Chase Bank. You will be logged into your Chase Bank account. And in case if you guys forgot your username or password, you can click here forgot username or password to reset it. And if you want to create a new account in Chase Bank, you can click here sign up for now to create a new account. So this much for this video. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.